So I'm sure that this has happened to you, but you probably have big awnings like I do, and you know, after 8 years or so, the zips are not really, um, you know, as good as they used to be, but they're not yet needing any replacement. But these things here do break off, and they are called retainer boxes. I've learned a lot about zips in the last 24 hours, and I thought I'd show you what my issue is. It looks like there's a lot of people that have the same problem as me on the internet, and you cannot buy these retainer boxes to replace the ones that break, and they break fairly easily. You know, this is 8 years old, and these are just crumbling. And so here's one that has broken off, and you'd think you could just get something to slide back on there and you'd be done, but no such thing. The point of the retainer box is to hold the zip together and also to stop the car flying off. So you must have something there that does both of these things. One, hold it together. Two, stop the car flying off. So this is what I have done to solve my problem. I have put a hook and eye on here, simple old-time solution. The hook and eye, thank you Rosie, thank you, has not solved it completely because it's not a very tight, a very positive. Shush, you're ruining my video, honey. Yeah, come here. It's not a very positive connection, and so some of these may come apart in the process, but I'm using this solution on awnings I only take off to repair, so it's not like I'm zipping and unzipping them every day. Okay, and you can push them back together with your fingers anyway to get the slide off. So my little hook and eye solution, unhook, and then to solve my let me get the car for you to show you. You have to push these back together to get the car completely off, and as you can see, it's a little bit of a puzzle here. There, should be able to come off now. Two pieces come off, and then a close-up of what I did here was I went round and round, some stitching on here, just sort of hooking it in there, but then on this side I did a bunch of half hitches to make kind of a stop there for the slider, and then that prevents it flying into the ocean, and also it's in the right place, so you'll have to do your own checking on yours to line up the other side when you're putting it back together and making sure that the pieces are fitting together properly, otherwise you won't be able to zip it back up. Okay, so that's my solution, and I hope that was helpful to other people out there, and if you have something better than that, I would love to hear about it. Thank you. Thank you. So let's see how that worked out, Rosie.